Neil Young wrote and sang after the gold rush. Well, this is after the hailstorm. Got here at 3:45, 15:45, Friday, March 2, 2012. There's the damage from the snow event, or quasi, 12 days ago, last month. Department of Comedy, Transportation, whomever, the subcontractor came the following Monday. The fag pros put out the flags, and they ain't been back since. So yeah, Oreo and I got pelted by a bunch of hailstones. That's Oreo you hear in the background, my ever trusty canine. And yeah, there's some good sized hailstones. Sure enough. There's my boot. There's the hailstone. I'd say between $50 and ping pong ball size. We got pelted pretty hard. There's a big one. There's a big one right there. There's my hand, which ain't so big. Pretty good size hailstone. Bigger than anything we got hit by back on Hailstorm Wednesday, June before Father's Day last year. Pretty good size hailstone. Hey Oreo, what do you think about this? Huh? What do you think, Oreo? We're staunch, huh? We're more than a little bit crazy. Sure enough. Here's Oreo. What you think about it? You like being out in the weather? Because whether or not you like it, it's just weather, Oreo. What do you think of that hailstone? Good size. That thing's about golf ball size and sharp too. Oh yeah. So the event's over. And it's kind of scary. Sure was. Very scary. Very scary. Very scary. What happened to all the color? What happened to all the color? Oh, no stinking sepia tone. As the tornado siren not so gently weeps. Yep. Well, world famous Wayne here with his trusty canine Oreo. Have no fear. Have no fear. Broadcasting live and direct to you from Exit 1, Murphy Road off of I-440. This is reality. This is videography. This is world famous Wayne and Oreo TV. Oreo! You good boy? You good boy? You good boy? You play with that? I guess not.